Hello everyone, welcome to day one of exploring Eastern Washington. Today we are at Ancient Lakes. We don't know how many miles we're going to be doing, but we're just going to go until we're done. So, well, there's one thing I got to do before we get going though. That's better. Let's go. I've always thought of Eastern Washington as just farmland and desert, not realizing the geological history that created it to what it is today. It all started tens of millions of years ago with the largest lava flows in Earth's history. These flows covered most of eastern Washington and Oregon, and even flowed into the ocean via the Columbia River. Now fast forward to the Ice Age, about 15,000 years ago. A massive 2-mile thick ice sheet covering all of Canada has a large lobe on its southern margin that flowed into northern Idaho, forming an ice dam. Over several decades, ancient Lake Missoula formed behind this dam in Montana. It was about half the size of Lake Michigan. This ice dam suddenly failed and all the water from this huge lake drained out in just 48 hours. These floods actually occurred several dozen times over a 2,000-year period. These massive floods scoured out all the coulees that you see here in eastern Washington. The amount of water flowing was to be estimated 10 times of all the world's rivers combined. A 200-foot wall of water reached speeds of 60 to 80 miles an hour. This is considered to be one of the largest floods ever discovered. The ancient lakes are the remnants of what was left over from the Ice Age. Top of the morning to ya. Welcome to day 2 of exploring Eastern Washington. Today we are going to be doing Lenore Caves, and we're also going to go to Sun Lakes Dry Falls and maybe do some paddle boarding. And then we got some camping ahead of us that is at Steamboat Rocks. So it's going to be a busy day. So let's go. knows no one knows. Welcome to our third and final day of exploring Eastern Washington. So we just got done camping at Steamboat Rock State Park, which I highly advise staying there because it is an amazing place. Now we're only left with one thing to do, and that's the hike to the top of this Steamboat Rock itself. Wish us luck. I forgot to mention that this is 800 feet of elevation gain and under 0.8 miles.
Hell yeah, brother!
Well, if you couldn't tell, we made it. One piece. I couldn't think of a more better way to end this trip than do this hike, and it's always been a bucket list hike of mine for a long time now, so happy to check it off. We have one more little pit stop and then we go home. Nice long drive home, so woo!
3 hours.
Yeah. Please send help. I'm stuck. Help. Oh my god. And everybody always goes up for this. And does this.
Oh.
Wow.
Wow. Fuck yeah, man. You got master of the long stroke going on over there.
That's enough video.
Oh, here.
Welcome to our third and final day of exploring Eastern Washington.
So I'll go 3, 2, 1, then we'll switch face to each other and go, hell yeah, brother.
Yeah.
and then hide. Ready? 3, 2.
Hell yeah, brother.